on how to use the batteries, because the batteries should be pretty straightforward. This is part 3 of the video. I will just show you guys more closely. I'm talking about, I do believe it's 660 and not 99. Whatever. Anyway, go take a quick look on the inside to see, or close to these things here. It is somewhere between 90C and 180C. 1 SP, so it's a 1S battery, and then 2.5 WH, 3.4 and 3.8 volts. So those are all the doobly-doos that I see around here. They do a good job with the branding and stuff, so that's cool. And hopefully these batteries are fantastic.
Likey.